yourself.
Sir, my name is Ravi Verma. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. I did my higher secondary from Rajkiya Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya, and I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Delhi Technological University. My hobby is to read novels and books, listen to music, and I love to spend time with my family. I'm preparing for CAPF examination.
Okay, tell me two synonyms of Ravi in Hindi.
Sir, Dinkar and Bhaskar.
Okay, okay.
Sir, Dinkar and Bhaskar.
Yeah, I got. So you are from Delhi Technical University. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So some people from your college who actually did not complete the degree, who is in more news than those who completed the degree. What is your take on that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think that person deserves to be on the news. I think you must be talking about Sushant Singh Rajput,
Yes, yes.
who is no more with us. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you are missing him?
Of course, sir, he was from my college and from mechanical too.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's definitely a loss to us.
Okay. So how you are seeing 2020, which is just missing within two after 2 months it will be end, but it brought a lot of bad event. So how you are seeing this?
So no doubt the year 2020 has been very challenging year, not just to our country but to the world as well. And all our sectors have been impacted badly. But sir, again, then we always have a lesson to learn. So through this challenge, we have got to know about our weaknesses, and definitely we have this opportunity to like strengthen ourselves in different areas.
Okay, so during this period, environment was seen कि actually environmental condition was good at least. Ecological
Right, sir.
balance was there. So what is your contribution
Yes,
in
sir.
improving the ecology in during this period?
Sir, first of all, I was like not using any bike or scooty, which I'm having because I was like in the home itself. So like pollution was less due to that. And second, sir, the public transportation, I also did not use public transportation. So I think in these two terms, I have contributed in reducing the pollution.
Okay, so what is opportunity cost?
So opportunity cost is the cost which a person bears for leaving something. Like for example, if I am getting a job of a teacher and I am leaving it for some other opportunity, then that will be cost called as opportunity cost.
What is opportunity cost of this mock interview which we are conducting?
Uh, Sir, I cannot calculate in rupees term.
Okay.
Uh, yes, sir, but I'd be using it for some other purpose.
Okay. So, how many components are there for opportunity cost?
Sir, I have to look into that. I'm not aware of it.
Okay, no issue. So, you are in preparing for assistant commandant. Besides that, what is your career alternative?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm quite confident that I'll get into the services. However, I have a plan B for myself. I'll take a job in Elena Industries where I had done my internship
Okay.
in the last year.
Oh, so first, Vidyanand
Yes.
Singh will ask a question. Sir will ask. Okay, sir, continue.
Okay, so your no name is same as one of the legendary person in the history. Can you name him and his most proficient
Uh,
trait, what he was having?
I'm sorry, sir, but your voice is too noisy from your side.
Okay, let me switch off the fan first. Thereafter, we will continue. Just a minute. Yes, tell me one person who is having the same name as you have, and he was one of the legend in the history. And what was his trait, because of which
Yes,
he
sir.
became famous in history?
Sir, he was a great modern Indian painter, Raja Ravi Verma.
Okay, so he was actually having any kind of territory or just like a ceremonial name of Raja Ravi Verma?
Sir, I'm sorry to say, but the echo is too much from that side.
Still, you are having the echo. Just a minute.
Sir, like, do you have this wired earphone? I think that would be much better. I'm also not using this one because this is creating echo.
Okay.
Yeah, are you getting the voice right now? Hello?
Sir, can you please repeat? Yes.
Yeah, right now I'm audible.
Sir, yes, you are audible. I'll
Yeah,
try to
echo
like
is
listen what you say.
still the echo is there.
Yes, sir, echo is there.
Okay, so some technical
Sir,
issue
like,
and
can you
I'm not
please try
professional.
without the earphones? Can you please try without the earphones? Maybe we can do
Okay,
this.
but in that I will have to go to the control panel and I will have to make several changes.
Okay. Till time I am continuing. You manage the things. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So you are staying in Delhi for long time. Okay. And Delhi is facing a lot of pollution problem, particularly in winter season. So, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
solution, possible solution for that?
Sir, I think we need to come up with a plan with the neighboring countries. For example, by taking into confidence Haryana, Punjab, these regions, and we need to come up with a common solution. Second, sir, we need to promote the e-vehicles and the public transportation.
Okay,
Third, sir, we can have some arrangements. We can have some arrangements to control the pollution from industries and old thermal power plants. So
you
these,
were
I think, are some of the areas, sir.
you were yoga leader. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what are the steps of yoga? Means 8 limbs of yoga.
What are the steps in yoga?
Means 8 limbs of yoga.
Eight limbs of yoga,
Yeah,
Ashtanga Yogi, you are talking about, sir.
yeah.
Yeah. Yam, Niyam, Asana, Pranayam, Dhyan, Dharna, Samadhi, and Pratyahar. So these are 8 aspects of yoga.
What was the last step? What is the last stage?
Sir, I don't know like hierarchically, but I said Pratyahar in the last.
It is samadhi is the last. There are some certain defined things. So you should follow the guidelines. Otherwise, yoga will be harmful in place of useful. Okay, so it should be in order. Who,
Okay, sir.
yeah, who is the
Okay, sir.
founder of yoga school? Means initial ancient yoga school. Who was the founder?
Sir, it is Maharishi Patanjali.
Okay, okay, that's good. So in this duration, a lot of uncertainties and all things are going on. In all these uncertainties,
Yes, sir.
what was the advantageous thing for you?
Sir, I would say I have got more chance at home to like spend time with my family and more time for my own self. The time which I used to like I would say spend outside, now I'm spending for my own self. So and that has helping me in the preparation as well.
Okay. Sir, your voice, your things are clear? Your system is
Yeah,
working?
I'm settled.
Yeah. Okay. So continue.
So, Ravi, your name resembles with one of the historical persons. That question is finished. I asked you again that whether his position of Raja was ceremonial or was he having any kind of actual territory.
Sir, whether
He
Whether
was
he,
having a ceremonial position of
well,
Raja, like he was called Raja Ravi Verma. So his position was ceremonial or whether he was really having any kind of territory which he was governing.
sir, as per my knowledge, he belonged to a royal family in Travancore. But sir, I'm not certain about this thing, whether he was having territorial sovereignty or some kind of this thing.
So you have done the mechanical engineering, okay? So are you
Yes,
comfortable
sir.
with the technical questions?
So though I
That's engineering since like 2010. I'm also mechanical engineer.
okay, sir.
Okay, so your specialization is in internal combustion engine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the reason because of which the same capacity engine of two stroke and four stroke engines? There are two engines of same capacity cubic centimeter, but still the
Yes,
two
sir.
stroke engine gives the output of more power than the four stroke engine.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's actually with one revolution in two-stroke engine we get up one power stroke, whereas in case of four-stroke with two revolution we get one power. So it is due to that difference we get the output different.
Okay, that's good. And, questions I actually during the hustle of this adjustment I missed out some questions. What is the speciality of the region that Rohini you live in? What is the speciality? For what it is most famous?
Sir, Rohini is very well famous for its markets. There are two very well-known markets. One is Avantika, and second is D12, Rohini Sector 7, which is also known as Chandni Chowk, Mini Chandni Chowk.
Can you
But
name the
sir, there are a very
largest planned township in Asia?
largest what?
Planned township in Asia.
Sir, I'm not sure, but sir, I think it's Dwarka. But I'll look more into it, sir.
Okay, that's good. And you are continuously appearing in the defense services exam. So what made you to consider the defense services exam more than other kind of services exam? Like you are from technical background, you could have been appearing for junior engineer or whatever it is. But you are
Yes.
continuously appearing for this. So what kind of motivation you are having behind this approach?
So since 12th class, when I first got to know about the defense forces, I have been passionate to join them. It is because of their working style, their healthy lifestyle, the disciplined life, way of life. And sir, like we get huge responsibilities at very young age and the type of jobs. So then the pay and perk and respect in the society. So all things like motivate me to join these forces.
Then why not you join the NCC? It would have made your work much easier.
Yes, sir. I would love to join NCC, but sir, I was not aware of NCC in initial years. In fact, sir, about defense forces, I got to know only in 12th class.
Okay. Now Ranjit sir will continue and I will go through your DEF once again and I will come back to you again.
okay.
Okay.
Recent time,
Sure, sir.
it
Yes,
has
sir.
been seen government provided EWS quota for general candidate, and many candidates are availing
Yes,
the
sir.
facility. Their income criteria is 8 lakh per annum. If
Yes,
8 lakh per annum is income criteria, then do you think government is doing wrong because 8 lakh general candidate earning up to 8 lakh and OBC candidate earning up to 8 lakh, government is treating both equal. Do you think it is right?
sir. I think EWS reservation is good, bring with good intention, but as you said it rightly, that income criteria should be again relooked.
So in your opinion, what
And because
yeah,
sir, otherwise lot of people will come into this category.
yeah. So in your opinion, what should be the right benchmark of income?
Sir, though I would not be able to tell it exactly, but I think the way should be that we should first have a survey of the economic status of the people in our country. And then we should decide some level which is suitable so that the people who are really backward, who are really in the need, they can get the facility.
Okay, so do you know per capita income of Indians? Income
Yes, sir. It's around rupees 1,06,000.
Okay, so what is the poverty line at this time?
Sir, it's 32 rupee for rural people and around 47 rupee for urban people.
Okay, so at present we are following uh, poverty line recommendation of which committee?
Uh, Sir, I'm not sure for it. I think it's a Rangarajan committee.
No, actually, Rangarajan committee government did not accept the recommendation because till the date Rangarajan committee submitted the report, government already had changed. Have you heard the name of Tendulkar?
Okay, sir.
Have you
Yes,
heard the
sir.
name of
I
Tendulkar?
heard his name.
Which Tendulkar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which Tendulkar?
Yes, sir. Sir, Suresh, I think it's Suresh Tendulkar
Yes, yes, yes.
who mentioned 27 rupees and 33 rupees.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, okay. Recently, a person, eminent person who died, he was instrumental in implementing OBC reservation as a minister. Can you name the person?
Uh, Sir, I think it's Shri Ram Vilas Paswan.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, who was prime minister at that time?
Sir, who is Prime Minister at this time of our country?
No, no, at that time when it was implemented.
Okay, okay. Sir, he was Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao.
Are you sure? At least give contribution to those the person who was instrumental to bring you in this group. Okay, no issue. That's fine. Okay, so
Sir,
given opportunity, if you are given opportunity, what the things you want to reverse in 2020, which happened very bad for your life?
sir, of course, I would not be wanting Corona for myself as well as for people around me.
Okay.
That's
So,
the thing. Sir, that's the only thing I can think of.
okay, tell me 3 reasons why you are getting selected as assistant commander. 3 reasons.
Sir, first of all, I'd say I am passionate to join these forces. Second, I am optimistic and motivated. And third, sir, I'm good at expressing myself and so convincing other as well.
See, there is a fighting in CRPF if forces, and you are compassionate. Then how things will work?
Sir, sorry, can you please repeat your question? I could not understand.
Okay, there is fight. If you are joining, you have to fight. then how all these
Yes, sir.
things which you told will be helpful?
Sir, I think for any soldier to work, motivation is the first thing.
Yeah.
So I'll make sure that all my men, including my own self, are motivated.
Okay.
Second, sir, I think uh, war and the weapons are the last solution. And first is the talks or the deliberations which we can have.
Okay. Okay.
So, sir, I think in that way, it will be helpful.
There was a term, there was a famous saying, geography rules the world. Do you know this statement?
Sir, I have come across it, but sir, I am unable to recall who told it.
In your opinion, who is the best military commander in whole world in 18th century?
Sir, I'm not aware of it. Sorry, I have to look for it.
Okay. Anyway, for all time, the best military commander in your opinion?
Sir, I would say Sam Manekshaw.
Okay. For which region?
Sir, like during the war with Pakistan, he showed a great coordination between the forces, and he was a very motivated person who kept his forces always in operational readiness. So, for that reason, I would say.
Okay. Okay. So he was the things person who got liberated Bangladesh. Okay. Bangladesh became independent
Yes,
nation
sir.
for that region. Recently, why Bangladesh is in news in comparison with India?
Sir, according to a report of the IMF, the Bangladesh economy in terms of purchasing power parity is going to take over India's economy. So I think, sir, I guess for that purpose, the news is there.
Uh, do you know foreign exchange reserve?
Yes, sir.
So see, India is means in nominal term, Germany is larger in comparison to Indian economy, but still Germany does not have any foreign exchange reserve. Why that? India has foreign exchange
Although I'm
reserve.
not sure, but I think, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
India,
I think
China, and all country
a
have.
lot of Indian diaspora is, sir, a lot of Indian diaspora is working outside, for example, in West Asian countries and
No,
other areas.
I am
So they
saying,
are a rich,
yeah, but I am saying
yes, sir.
why Germany, France, these both country are means one of the largest economy, but they are not having foreign exchange reserve.
Yes, sir. Sir, I looked into the reason.
Okay.
I'm not sure for now.
Uh, why balance of payment is called as balance of payment?
Sir, balance of payment shows the total transaction a country has with the rest of the world.
Say, then why?
So if we are like what we are exporting,
Yeah. Then why it is called as balance?
sir, balance like if what we import, if the value of our imports is like equal to value of our export, in that case it is a balance.
No,
Otherwise, sir, there will be
no.
like fiscal.
We are always in a year. We are in maximum time after independence. We are exporting less than importing. Then in that case, balance of payment is not balanced. Okay, okay, no issue. That's okay.
Sir, I'll look into it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Sir, you want to ask anything?
Yeah, I will go for the technical questions, some of the technical questions again.
Okay.
So you again the specialization is in refrigeration and air conditioning, RAC.
Sir,
May I-
like Can you please repeat the question?
Yeah, I am asking that your second specialization subject is refrigeration and air conditioning.
Yes, sir.
So one generalized question I would like are rated in terms of ton. So what does that unit ton means?
Sir, like a ton of refrigeration is a unit to measure the cooling capacity of the refrigerant air conditioning system. It represents the amount.
Yeah, go on,
It
go on.
represents it represents the amount of heat that is extracted from 1 ton of water, which is at liquid state, which is at 0 degree liquid state.
No, no, no. I would like to correct you. It is the 1 ton of air being, that amount of air being circulated through the air conditioning or refrigeration system. That is the unit that signifies it. Okay. No issues. These questions may not be asked by you from the chairman or itself if they are not known about these things. Okay. So you used to swim. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the size of the Olympic pool?
Sir, there are two sizes. One is the short course, 25 by 25 meter, and second is the 50 by 25 meter.
Okay, awards, drawings. What kind of drawing you used to make?
Sir, I used to make drawings like tonal drawing and then water paintings and pencil color and sketch colors.
Okay, so have you heard about the Oriental arts?
Sir, what?
Oriental arts.
Oriental? I'm not aware of it, sir.
No
I'll
issues.
search for it.
Okay, Lalit sir will take on. No?
Okay. Okay, Ravi, here your interview